it's raining, what am I supposed to do? Seems like I'm stuck just staying here with you. But I guess that's not too bad, 'cause you're alright. Yeah, yes, that's just my luck, 'cause I kinda like being with you. Ooh, yeah. So let it rain, let the dust fall on this roof, and I'll stay inside with you. Put that coffee on, take that sweater off, things I'll take it from you. Play that music soft while I dance to top of your feet, until you get tired, then I'll rub your back real slow. Babe, just close your eyes and hold me while you don't. Yeah. So let it rain, let the dust fall on this roof, and I'll stay